flower can appear or show its face when I hear no birds sing beneath the sheaf of the woods, neither at morning nor evening's grace. Then my heart flowers in a single wishing place, in pure love that holds me in its own embrace, from which I never seek to rise or go. And if there is anyone who would part me from it so, I do not wish to know it, nor may God will it so. Well, it is right that I should grieve for it, when I desire my own grief's unfit and better. I love more than I was wont to know, that which I cannot enjoy or make it so. And well, I know that I cannot come to it. If love does not vanquish reason, I must fail to get it. This I say in all truth and every bit, for God love be willing to set in nonchalant reason until she welcomes me into her care. Letting no ill that I may have or bear is to me anything but lightness and relief. For without you I cannot live, I swear, nor do I wish to, for my life's own grief. Without loving you, life has no worth or thief, unless I wish to annoy the whole world as a thief, or go about dying on my way. May God never let me live so long a day, that I might annoy the world and lose love true, I say. Many times does love make me afraid and full of thought and care, and often does she make me glad and stay and give me heart that is free and fair. Thus she makes me live all mixed and caught of ire and of good. I know not if she has thought that she might wish to test me so, or if she does it freely to make me know grief to prove if I would ask for more in woe. Many a long week and many a day do I bear when I am far from her, and passing through with great pain I say, often do I curse them for their stir. I cannot help but relax, for I desire so much to receive her. For I do not forget her touch, the words, nor the semblances she showed. Rather I recall them and am full of their loading, so I comfort myself when she is